this video, I'm going to show you all of the different applications that you need to download and install on your machine before you can continue with the course. The first application you're going to need is a code editor. I recommend using Visual Studio Code, and I'll put the link where you can download and install this application on your machine in the description of the video. The second application you're going to need is Docker Desktop, or if you're using Linux, then you're going to need to follow the installing Docker on Linux on the Docker website. Again, I'll put a link to both of these options in the description of the video. Next, you need Git. Most machines already have Git pre-installed, but we are going to be using GitHub, so you're going to need to have Git installed in your machine in order to clone and commit changes to your project. That's everything for the application that you're going to need. Pause the video, go ahead and download them. Make sure that they're set up on your machine.